Now we're going to add quiz to our course. Quiz can be added in each section that you create in the course, or quiz can be added at the end of the course. Like at the very end, you want to assess a student whether he has understood the topic well, and you have covered most of the topics. You can put in a quiz to know what's the understanding level of a student, and it will be very handy for the student also to ensure to get that encouragement that after going through a series of videos, he is able to understand the concept and he is able to answer the questions that you're putting forward to him. So we'll start with creating a sample quiz. For that, now you need to click on quiz over here. We'll add a sample quiz. Click on enter. Now we're going to click on edit. Now there are a couple of settings in the quiz that we need to keep in mind. The first one, we can give a quiz description, like what's the quiz about, what topic it's covering up. If you want a time-based quiz, like you don't want the quiz to go on and on forever, you can just limit the time, say 15 minutes for 15 questions, and you can mention the time over here. So when a quiz is started, a student will have 15 minutes to answer those number of questions that you have asked in the quiz. You can also show the correct answer at the end of the quiz. Decide the percentage passing. So we'll keep it at 80%. Do not put the percentage sign because it will automatically pick that up. Now if we are going to ask a person to retake the quiz, and we want to penalize a student for retaking the quiz. Suppose he is getting a 70% at the start and he is failing. The next time he takes the quiz, he is getting 85, but his actual score will be minus the penalized score that we put in over here. So if we put 5 and in the final attempt he scores 85, the final score will be 85 minus 5, that will be 80%, and he'll still be passing the test. So it's completely on you. Would you like to keep the negative marking or a negative remark for retaking the quiz? You can randomize the questions that you put in, like not keeping in a specific order but jumbling up. You can select that option. Now this is a place where you can add in the quiz questions. There are different types of quiz that you can put forward to, like a single choice, where you will have one question, multiple option, and only one correct answer. Multiple choice is questions where you have more than one correct answer. True or false is again but the statement is true or false, you can ask that question. Items match is something where you have two statements and a choice of multiple statements between them, and you can ask the student to match those correct statements over there. Then you can ask a scenario based questions, and you can ask for keywords like what is BuddyDental, give some keywords regarding that. You can say it's an online portal, it's an online learning platform. So those kind of keywords you can make and you can fill that in. The last is fill in the gaps. You can create a question where instead of multiple choice, it will be a direct answer to be asked. So BuddyDental is a DaaS platform. It's an online platform. So online is the answer you're expecting. You can use the fill in the gaps as the option. So in the next part, we'll design certain sample quizzes, and you'll get to know how exactly this particular quiz looks like, how we create that on this particular platform.